Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making banana bread. Not just any banana bread, Michelle's banana bread. Who's Michelle? Well, she's my sissy-in-law. She'd bring this quick snack when she'd pick us up from the airport, Florida to New York. The recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below. Remember, join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Smooshy that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. We also have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. Now let's make this delicious Michelle's banana bread. Let's cook! Now you can beat this all by hand, but I had my little KitchenAid beater out, and why not? Now, Michelle's original recipe used chocolate, dark chocolate, that she just sprinkled on top of this batter, or you can use any kind of chocolate chip. I actually found this at Sprouts because I am gluten-free and dairy-free. I found peanut butter cup chocolate. No refined sugar, gluten, dairy, or soy. So I'm going to break up some pieces and use this.